गया। हाँ इतना छोटा लग रहा है बहुत। चलो इसे ठीक करते हैं। Hello guys, happy Diwali!
So today we are going to try these
healthy chips.
To be honest, healthy chips.
To be honest,
just like.
Are you guys excited?
Yes, very excited. Okay, we first tried spiced okra with coriander.
50% less oil.
Healthy
chips.
Gluten free, sorry.
Healthy chips.
Okay, let's open it.
Let's try.
उसके साइड में एक छोटा सा दिया हुआ काटने हाँ Okay, take it out one and smell it.
Like
Show
lady
it to
finger.
camera. A whole lady finger.
Lady finger.
Yuck.
Try it.
Let it try.
Crunchy.
Not bad, not good.
Can you taste lady finger?
Yeah.
Taste of lady
and
finger.
I don't like it.
You don't like lady finger, but you like this chip.
At
Is
the
it,
first time it is nice, but when you chew it, its flavor is just
Can you taste the coriander?
yeah.
Yeah.
Coriander is the best thing in this.
You guys like it?
No.
You don't like it?
No.
And
Yeah,
I
like
rate this 3 out of 10.
3 out of 5. Okay.
Just because of the coriander. The only outer masala is nice.
But there is no flavor inside.
No
Yeah.
flavor. Just
Mari-
plain, all
It's-
plain.
It would have been
Only
better
lady
if
finger.
lady finger
Yeah.
was sliced up
Right.
and
And
then
more, you can add more masala.
more flavor.
Hi guys, then like so with my mom and my Shanika and
Be louder.
Oh, Karika, you going to try the
Why is my mommy still
So what we are going to try? Chips, healthy snacking. Okay. Yes.
Let's see how
Junk food like me and Indian food.
Yeah,
don't
it is
like
junk food, but there is
this
some
is healthy
changes.
one.
Healthy
These are the
one.
vegetables.
It has
Vegetable is good for you, right?
Your mom told not to eat vegetables. Yes. Vegetables makes us strong. Yes, very nice.
So what?
Okay, the
So
first
let's
is
try.
okra.
Okay, what is the color? Green color, green veggie. Okay. Have it.
You not
See how beautiful the shape is.
You like
Eat
it?
it more. Eat it a little bit more. Now taste it.
Yum. So tasty.
Is it good? If it is good, then like this. And if it is don't like it, then it's this. You like
Are you
it?
sure you like it? You like it?
Yes.
Can you give mama some?
Little bit flavor of bhindi is definitely coming. Okra is definitely coming. And if she likes, then why not? We can give it to children.
Do you like the flavor?
It's the flavor is very mild. There is
Very
no
mild.
salt is also very mild. I think that's why she like it. And there is no chili, as she don't like chili. Maybe most of the kids don't like chilies. So it's very good. And the shape is also very nice, just like a real vegetable.
Come,
Its inside is also like this. See, you can see the seeds there.
These are dried
Okay,
okra. These are real okras that has
very
been dried.
nice. So these are baked, I think, not
yeah.
fried.
Vacuum cooked.
If our kids, I mean, they're eating one packet of chips every alternate days, then we can give them. It's very nice.
These are vacuum dried.
Vacuum dried.
So, who you like this?
Okay, let's you finish this. It's crunchy. Yes, it's crunchy. And you draw with this, na? When mama cut the vegetable, you dip it in the color and you just give it a stamp. Remember? Remember? Yes. Will you eat it again? दोबारा खाओगे आप? दोबारा खाओगे? Baby is also eating. Okay. Will you eat it again? दोबारा खाओगे? अच्छा, इतना अच्छा लगा आपको?
So next we are going to try crunchy tomato with mint.
Okay, let's open.
Have you ever eaten tomato chips?
No.
Yeah. No.
What
But
you,
I like tomato.
you like tomato?
Yeah, I have also.
But you also like okra. But it was like grass.
Like
Let's
grass.
open it. Let's open it.
Smell it. Does it smell like tomato?
No, it's not smell of tomato, but it's strange.
Different.
Yeah, so
Strange.
Okay, let's try. First you take.
Is it look like crunchy?
yeah, it looks.
It looks like tomato. It's crunchy.
It's like
Wow.
yuck. Wow. I don't like it.
I like it. I'm loving it.
But you don't like tomato flavored
sour.
chips.
I never eaten. I just like tomato.
Can you explain the taste for us? Is it like a tomato?
It is like a tomato, but it's
It's a
kinda-
dried form of tomato, like dried powdered flavor.
Yeah.
When
And
you
it's
compare-
also
Sour.
It is sour.
And this
and
is with
it's just a little bit spice. They have put.
it is with
I love it.
I love tomato, but still
The flavor is amazing.
no.
can I have a taste?
Yeah.
It is nice. It's has a sweetness and sourness of tomato.
And goodness of potato.
Hmm.
I
It's very
don't
nice.
like it.
It's a 10 on 10.
10 out of 10.
You?
No marks.
0.
Okay, let's move on to next one.
Okay.
I also like this tomato.
Which flavor is this? Read it.
Tomato.
Tomato. Okay.
And it is tomato.
Tomato. What is the color? What is the color of tomato? Red color. Okay.
Oh, that's the one. That's the one.
It's shape of tomato. See?
This is tomato.
Tomato flavor. See? When mama cuts tomato, it looks like this, right? Like it? Hmm?
Is it sweet?
Is it sweet?
Sweet and sour? Khatta bitha?
Sweet.
She is
yes, Auntie.
confused.
Yeah, she's confused.
She's confused by the texture.
It's really good.
She's confused by the texture.
Because when we are chewing now, little bit of tomato flavor and texture is also like this. I can actually feel
Texture of a chip, but flavor of tomato.
flavor of tomato, and yeah, at last you can feel the chewiness of tomato also.
It's a dog thing. Wait, butterfly!
Wow! Butterfly, she has come to welcome you, Kanika.
Butterfly is gone. Where did butterfly go?
Why is the two flavor? It's my mom I like.
This is really healthy. Anybody can have it, you know, adults or kids. Very nice. And look wise also, each and every one, like that was okra and this was tomato.
Yeah. These
Very
are
nice flavor.
completely different things.
Nom, 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 nom,
Very
nom.
nice. You like it? Good? Okay. What
This is not like.
This is like,
is-
this is okay, and this is, no, you don't like. What is
Which
this?
one you like?
Which one you like? You like it?
You like it or
You
not?
like it?
Are you confused? You
Yes,
like it?
She likes it.
So next we are going to try golden sweet potato with peri peri.
So it's going to be spicy.
Yeah.
Sweet and spicy. Interesting.
Let's
So
open
you
it.
guys like sweet potato?
Yeah. Yeah, I love sweet. I think it's gonna be amazing.
It's like this, simple. Okay, let's
Try.
taste it.
Can you taste the sweet potato?
Amazing.
Yes.
Sweetness of potato? Sweet potato?
Yes, potato
and
is
with
sweet and-
peri peri. Peri peri is
Yeah.
not that spicy,
Yeah,
right?
not that spicy.
Sweetness
but
and little
still
bit,
love it.
but it's enjoyable,
Yeah.
right?
We will have it with tea.
Or any time.
Yeah. You will like it. Much better with tea or coffee. Anything.
Can you compare it
In
with
a
the
snack.
normal potato chips?
No,
Is
it's
it better?
much better.
This is much
It's
better, right?
much better.
And much healthy option.
I'm gonna tell it.
It's not oily.
Yeah.
It's not oily.
It's a 8 out of 10. I will 10 out of 10. 9 out of 10.
But you didn't like it.
ये थोड़ा मीठा है. It's amazing. Its flavor all peri peri. इसका पूरा flavor peri peri है.
And you were saying something? क्या बोल रहे थे?
I take one more.
इसमें जो शुगर है मीठा है.
It's bigger.
ये not. This is not sugar. This is sweet potato. This is not potato. Sweet potato जो होता है.
मीठा.
मीठा वाला potato.
शकरकंदी.
शकरकंदी. That's right. This is शकरकंदी with peri peri.
Okay, this is golden sweet potato. You know potato? Okay, so let's try it. Can you go? Yes, we got the potato. See, have it. Just chew it, understand?
First eat it, then
Eat it, then put thumbs up. Good?
you like it?
Yes? Okay. Let Mama have one. It's very crunchy. And as it is peri peri also, the flavor is very nice.
Peri peri is not that spicy, but it is sourness of peri peri, not the heat of peri peri.
The smell of peri peri, and it is sweet also. It is sweet potato. I think this is shakargandhi, right?
Yeah.
This is not a normal potato. Shakargandhi hai, and it's very good, and it's so crunchy. Very nice. Do you like it? Yes. So if she is liking it, that means I think we will definitely like it as adults, and definitely other kids will also like it, right?
Okay guys, let's try crispy beetroot with Himalaya rock salt. It's look
Crispy
like
beetroot. Have you eaten beetroot?
I don't like beetroot. Okay, let's open it. Yeah, it's color purple.
It's beetroot. Beetroot
yeah,
is
beetroot.
of this color. Same color.
It's purple. It's purple.
This is purple.
My favorite color is purple.
Taste it and tell me how is this taste. कैसा taste है ये बताओ.
It's all over my hand.
Himalayan pink rock salt.
It tastes just nothing.
Eat the whole thing first.
It's nice.
You don't like beetroot.
I like it.
It has a taste of beetroot?
Yeah. Little bit bitter flavor.
It tastes like beetroot.
The
But,
most weirdest taste. No.
Beetroot has some strange taste, but it has
Yeah.
nice flavor. Nice beetroot flavor. Almost tastes like potatoes.
Yeah. Oh my god, my hand is good.
Not bad,
I like it. I will give 10
but I
out
will
of.
prefer the sweet potato more than this one.
I will.
Crispy beetroot.
I love it way.
You love the color?
You like the color? What is the color? Purple, pink. Actually, she's never seen the vegetable and might be not be eaten it. Let's see her reaction. You like it? No.
He doesn't like the beetroot.
Why? Okay, let me taste it. As we all eaten beetroot, it's a little bit sweet, so
Sweet and it's kind of strong flavor vegetable.
I
It has
think
a.
this green color.
You like
but
the
it's not
green?
bad.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
It has a flavor.
Actually, beetroot has a little bit of bitterness, little slight. So it does have that bitterness, but not that extremely.
Look only man.
But as an adult, we can say that the
Yes,
flavor is good.
because if we compare to other chips, other brands which are in the market, it's definitely better.
These are like much higher quality chips.
Yes, higher quality as well as.
And these are healthy. These are vacuum
Healthy,
cooked.
yeah, that's
vacuum
right. And
cooked.
the most important, you are feeling like you are eating something, and it actually looks like the vegetable.
Yeah.
I love this.
No, actually, these are vegetables, so these are nice.
Okay, let's try. We are going to try herb taro with oregano and this.
ऑरिगेनो एंड बेसिल है टैरो टैरो क्या होता है हिंदी में चुकंदर
Chukandar.
Okay, let's open it.
Hey. Oh, amazing! It smells amazing.
Wow.
Wow.
It's really smells amazing. My me first. Oh. Wow. It's very big. It's so
It
big.
looks pretty.
Yeah.
It looks pretty.
Yeah, it looks pretty.
It tastes just like golden
Yeah.
potato.
Yeah.
Tastes like golden potato.
Yeah. But it's very big in size.
Almost, but I can taste oregano in it. Oregano basil.
Yeah, oregano. Just
Oregano
a little
flavor.
bit. Some like peri peri.
But it's very, very, very crunchy.
Yeah.
Just like a cracker, right?
पोटैटो नहीं होता उसको काट के जैसे वो सूख जाता है ना वैसा टेस्ट है इसका।
Starch का फ्लेवर, starch का. It's मतलब starch जैसा फ्लेवर, आलू का starch जो होता है, वैसा टेस्ट है इसका, right?
इसके ऊपर मसाला भी है.
Of course, it's masala, oregano and basil. You guys like it?
I like it.
It's giant.
It's a circle.
Show it to the camera. कितना बड़ा है?
It's very big.
One palm size.
And mine. Hey.
Your hand is little.
Okay, how much marks are you going to give?
10 out of 10.
10
You?
from 10.
This is a good taste flavor.
First, Polish hand.
Is it yam?
Yam,
Yam. Okay.
taro yam.
Too tasty like me.
First bite it. So it is vacuum cooked, not deep fried.
Baba, chalo na.
You
Who is going
like
to
it or
steal?
not?
Steel who is taken the
She's showing
smoke.
this and she's just running. The flavor is very mild and salty.
It has sweetness.
Definitely, yeah. If you
Can you taste the oregano?
taro is like this only. It's just like potato, lighter than potato.
Okay, girls, the next flavor is something completely different. Purple sweet potato.
Purple sweet potato?
Purple
Purple.
with pani puri masala.
Pani puri masala.
I will serve first time purple sweet potato
I've once in
Dubai.
movie.
Dubai.
Yes.
Wow. It is
It smells like pani puri.
pani puri. Pani puri kind of strange.
Sweet pani puri. It is a sweet potato.
जंजीरा का जो स्मेल होती है ना वही है.
It's like this shape. 7.
7. Taste it.
Yes. It's circle.
Looks like a good amount of spice. Pani puri masala on it.
पर्पल. इसके ऊपर जो मसाला है ना ये जलजीरा है.
Jaljeera?
जलजीरा का जो जैसे
Wow, it
taste होता है
tastes
ना.
amazing. I love it.
I don't like the beetroot. Sorry, sorry,
10. I will give 10
It is
out
less
of
sweet than
100.
golden potato. Less sweet, but taste as a pani puri flavor.
I love it.
Pani puri is more, but as you chew it, the
You get the sweet potato.
sweet potato flavor. And more you chew it, the more sweet potato you get.
I love.
It's not to
पानी पूरी किसको पसंद है?
everybody. But I don't like the sweet potato.
I love it.
You like the golden sweet potato, not this one.
No,
Golden
I
sweet
love
potato.
it.
I love the spices, but I don't like the sweet potato.
जोर से.
I don't like the sweet potato. That's
This
the
sweet
spices.
potato. With this spice. The combination doesn't work for you.
I love it.
It's
Yeah.
2 out of 10. मुझे ये बहुत कम पसंद है.
अच्छा नहीं लगा. Combination अच्छा नहीं है. मतलब sweet potato but pani
पर
puri.
इसका जो मसाला है ये बहुत टेस्टी है.
You like the
Yeah.
pani puri masala पसंद आया.
Yeah.
But sweet
तो
potato.
पानी में मिक्स करते ना, आई थिंक वो वाला डाल दिया ऊपर से.
जलजीरा.
जलजीरा.
नहीं दूसरा मिलता है पाउडर, वो डाल
पर
दिया
इसका
ऊपर।
टेस्ट जलजीरा जो होता है ना
Exactly जलजीरा जैसा नहीं है. But it's like a nice जलजीरा you can
Yeah.
say. अब बढ़िया जलजिया. Good. बढ़िया जलजिया. Alright, you're going to give how much marks to this?
10 out of 100 because I like it. 10 out of 100? Yeah, 100 out of 10.
Yeah, 100 out of 10. 10 out of 100 तो कम मार्क्स
हो
हो गए.
गया.
100 में से 10 आए. कम हो गया तो.
No problem.
No problem.
100 out of 10.
Okay.
100 out of 10. 3.
क्या है? 6.
3 out of 10.
3 out of बस 3 3 6.
1 out of 3 out of 10.
Okay. So
I love it.
which one was your favorite?
The potato one. This
Golden. Which one are you
and
the?
this. I love it. This one is the favorite. I love it.
Okay, which one is the one that you all liked? जो तुम्हें सब
And the
तीनों
potato.
This.
half
this.
taro and golden
this
sweet
one,
potato.
This one. This one.
These two were your favorite.
Yeah.
So these are the
Not
best
my
one.
favorite. It's my favorite. This and this my favorite. I like it. This my too much.
Which is the one which you dislike the most?
Whoa, bhindi.
Spice.
my god. Oh, I love this thing.
Common one which you all dislike.
This one.
Okra.
This one. Okra.
Why did you dislike this?
Bhindi.
It was too much like a
It was
bhindi.
like grass. Yeah. Grass. Yes. Cows.
Do you like bhindi?
No. Yeah.
So you can't like it.
I like bhindi.
But this is kind of
She like
not in
bhindi,
this
but
chip form.
Still. Yeah. Not a chip.
Okay.
It's like grass.
Okay, so this is purple sweet potato pani puri masala. Okay, golgappa masala Kanika. It has golgappa masala. एक बार try तो करो. So pani puri in India it's quite famous snack. We all love golgappas. And this is sweet potato, purple. So let's have it. She might not like it.
But she is enjoying the okra too much.
Yeah, she's. I'm surprised. She never eat it as a vegetable, but she's eating it herself. So it's quite surprising. So as an adult, I will say, ठीक है, पानी पूरी डाल दिया मसाला थोड़ा सा.
But it is not the best one. But you enjoyed the golden potato and taro.
Yes, golden potato is good. Not taro. I think tomato is also good, and okra is also good. What I like is the texture and the vegetables are, they resemble them only. So that's the beauty of the chips, I would say. That's very nice. For me, I have to develop a taste for this.
These are
Sweet.
means
Because
we never had this kind of chips.
Yeah.
We never seen them.
Sweetness
It's
is there.
something new, but
Something
it's
new. Yes.
Something new and very
It will
delicious.
take time to develop the taste for this. She's enjoying. You like it? You like it? It's like lady finger. Yes. It's like your fingers. Yeah.
You like the okra?
Yes. she has took the whole packet. As a mother, I'm definitely going to have this one in my house. If she likes it, then why not?
Bolo.
Oh, hey guys! Hey guys! Okay, well the next video may like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned. Hey. चूहे की आँख, कौवे का पंख, मुर्गे की हाथ.